Hey guys, it's Smart Gaming 101 here with Jacob, and we're right in front of my house, and this big old thunderstorm is lighting up here. It's like awesome. Oh my goodness. We've been watching this thing for hours, guys. It's been like flashing like this ever since sunset.
Oh my
Oh.
What the heck is going on in this town?
Sorry about the people in the background, guys.
Crazy people be like.
Oh, caught that one.
Okay, it's time to walk.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tell them about the storm.
Oh.
Tell them about the storm being far away so it's safe, so people don't go do this.
Huh?
We still need to get something.
We're far away.
Tomorrow,
far
if the
away
light
from the storm.
I can get my tablet.
Yeah, never do this up close, guys. The storm is very far away from here.
As you can tell, there's no thunder.
And then we're gonna see what it says in there.
Avery has taught me that, and I believe it because so when lightning strikes,
Oh my gosh, that's
how you count how long it takes to hear the
No, wait,
thunder.
Cooper's right. Look.
And
Cooper's right. No, wait, guys, look, Cooper was right. Cooper's right. He's right.
I don't-
He said he saw a big one.
I don't care.
Yeah, and a big one. It was
Oh my goodness me.
There was a big one. Holy moly. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm thinking
Guys, keep it down, please.
hey,
Oh.
Oh man. Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. The little baby.
Ooh.
The little baby's going. Diana!
Oh, I got that one. Ooh.
This is scaring me.
I'm sorry about the video, guys. It's really dark, but as you can see the lightning, obviously.
And all our equipment almost zapped us.
and our keep it down, and all our software
Yeah, I'm real-
equipment to edit the video is not working right now.
No,
So sorry about the quality.
No, wait, Jeremiah, look. Oh!
Oh my
Remember what he
goodness
said?
me.
It almost zapped him. He said it almost zapped us.
It's not even close to zapping us. You can't hear the thunder. It's so far away. Keep it down, people. If you say one more thing, you can't be here. Here, hold the phone.
It's
with
so
your fingers
far
in
away.
between your fingers. It's okay if you talk.
Do you know how
You
far
know what
away
I'm
that
talking
is
about?
right now?
No. Hold my phone like this.
Do you know how
Hold
far away
I
this
can't.
is right now?
I'm sorry.
Avery,
Huh?
do you know how far away this is right now?
Not really.
Like, it's very far away.
Very far away because you can't hear the thunder.
Yeah.
Here, put this up.
We did hear thunder earlier.
Yeah. The teensy tiny bits are getting closer.
Like we don't know if we had on our previous video, it somehow got erased. But if you like this video,
my face.
if we get, what should we go for? 50.
If we get at least 100 likes or so, Jacob will do awesome bike tricks.
And I'm not no little lame biker. I'm pretty good. I can.
So am I.
So and if we get 100 likes, leave in the comments something that you think that I'd be able to do. Not something crazy, but
And please subscribe as well, please. Again, I'm sorry about the video. It's very dark.
and
But
we
you can see the lightning though.
don't have our equipment. And there's like little kids all around.
Oh, I got that one.
We have a lot of storage on our phone.
Look, I'm not wearing those puny socks anymore.
As of right now, the storm it looks like it changed directions. I don't know, but so what do you think about that, meteorologist? So what does that mean when we can start hearing the thunder? The storm starts to get closer.
Yes.
I pray God.
And
But right now, I think it's weakening because we're losing daylight. But it is showing off its fury, which is awesome.
yeah,
I pray God.
it is going to be very.
Take the world back to normal.
There's like lightning all around us, guys. It's amazing.
Yeah. If y'all ever have the chance to come do this, now I'm not saying go stand out in the middle of a storm and get struck by lightning. I'm talking about if it is safe. If you can't hear the thunder, it is safe. If you can hear thunder, it's not safe. But this is just amazing sight. If you come lay down on your back,
Yeah.
it's amazing. Because we've been out here, since light time? And
Yeah.
it's almost dark. Ooh, that was cool. It was like a
Yeah.
thing. I'm trying to keep that.
Yeah.
So what should we talk about? What should we talk about?
I don't know.
Okay, we are just now starting to hear the thunder,
Yeah.
so the video will probably not be that much longer, maybe 5 minutes.
Oh, I
It's-
hear pops.
Yeah, it's starting to get really close.
Well, I think we have to stop the video
Yeah,
here, guys.
it's-
Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. If we get 100 likes, Jacob will do bike tricks, and please subscribe. And I'll see you next time on some amazing video. Bye, guys.